Hello, my name is Dr. Marco Ogino, past president of ELSO. I'd like to invite you to the upcoming SWAAC ELSO 2024 Pediatric ECMO workshop to be held in Kuwait City. I've been able to gather a very distinguished and experienced neonatal and pediatric faculty from the Middle East, Europe, and also the United States. Our goal will be to teach fundamental ECMO concepts that cross into VA and VV. The most exciting piece of this is we'll be doing it in a simulation environment, which allows hands-on teaching and a very low faculty to student ratio that allows you personal contact with the faculty members. The teaching environment will utilize a multidisciplinary approach, so I invite physicians, surgeons, perfusionists, nurses, respiratory therapists, and any other ECMO clinician interested in pediatric ECMO to join us in February. I look forward to meeting with you, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.